Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Mike's Garage. Hey, this week my dad's got that 69 Chevelle that I called the Gold Dust Chevelle for sale, and he's not getting too many bites on Facebook Marketplace, so I thought I'd go out and help him take some better pictures and get like an actual, regular video and test drive video of it. So I'm heading out there. Right now I'm driving in my 70 Caprice that I call the Rubber Duck. We'll do some more stuff on the channel about that later, but right now heading out, get some better pictures and video of Dad's Chevelle. Alright, hey everybody, here we are at Dad's garage with the 69 Chevelle again. So we're going to go ahead and do the walk around video. Alright, here we have 1969 Chevy Chevelle Malibu. Super clean car. Going to do a slow walk around video so you can see all sides of the car. And I know everybody asks, really that's like one of the only few rust spots is on each dog leg. Car is original paint. Original 30, I think 1,000 miles, something like that. It is an original Wisconsin car. Watch how these doors close. Right, nice. Nice. Bottoms of the doors, really nice shape. Super nice. Car's real straight. It does have a little crease there, whiskey dent, whatever you want to call it. Rear quarter panel is really nice. I don't know how this will show, but you can see up in there. Really good shape. Back end of the car, really nice. Car shows no collision damage or anything like that. All original paint as far as we can tell. This, besides the dog legs, what I'd say was the only rusty spot on the car. The rear trunk lid does have a little bit of rust right there. And then it's got, rust all the way around the rim there. But other than that, super nice. The trunk did have some surface rust in there, but Dad cleaned that up and painted it. So that's in really good shape. All the chrome is really nice. This car's got brand new tires on it, Cooper Cobras. Interior is nice shape. This door, you can see, really nice. Rocker panels are nice. Interior is original except for the carpet. Dad did put new carpet in it because the carpet was kind of moldy. Or mildewy, I guess I should say. Dash pad seems to be the original one. Very nice. Does need a headliner and a vinyl top, I would say. Really nice shape. Car is a 350 2-barrel. Runs really good. See, I'm going to have to reach down and... Car is a 350 2-barrel. It has had new master cylinder, new spark plugs, new alternator, and new water pump. So, runs really good. We ran a compression test on it, and it had 170 psi on all cylinders. New Farm and Fleet battery. As you can see, it's even got the original battery cable connectors. So, really original car. Do a little more on the vinyl top here. The vinyl top, it probably could be replaced, or I would replace it, obviously, but there doesn't really seem to be any serious issues underneath it. Obviously, that you're going to want to figure out what you want to do with it. you want to leave it or take it off, but car is super solid. We'll go around to show that on the other side. Windshield is cracked, does need a windshield. Trying to ever show you everything the car does need. For a 69 Chevelle in original shape, she is very nice. I'd say you're going to have a really hard time finding something nicer. Top is super solid, you know, so package tray shelf probably could be, you know, that could be replaced. But overall, super nice car, really original. I don't think the rally wheels were original. It had 14-inch tires from the factory. Still has the factory exhaust, of all things. So, really nice. We'll go over here and get a quick underneath shot. Under this underside of the car is really nice. It does have surface rust, you know, but everything's real solid. Hopefully you can see all that. We'll go ahead and get in the back by the trunk too. And you can see in the back, same condition. Does have surface rust, you know, like an old car would. But very solid. Original exhaust, 1 3/4 inch tailpipe. So, all right, well that's it. 1969 Chevelle. She's a beaut. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start her up. Go for a test drive. Car still has original drum brakes all the way around. New wheel cylinders. I think the shoes are still original. They were in good shape. She quiet. Kind of like a stock car would you would expect it to be.